A factory reset restores your Spectrum cable box to its original settings, erasing all user data and preferences. This is useful for fixing persistent issues like freezing, app crashes, or error codes, especially after software updates. You should consider a factory reset when facing persistent issues such as freezing, app crashes, error codes, or problems that occur after software updates. However, it's a last resort, not a permanent fix for hardware failures. Before resetting, try simpler solutions like rebooting the box or checking your connections. Spectrum's newer boxes may also offer remote reset options via the My Spectrum app. Understand that performing a factory reset will delete all recordings, favorite channels, and parental control settings. It's also important to avoid resetting during service outages. The reset process varies slightly depending on your box model. For most models, start by powering off the box and unplugging it from the wall. Use a paper clip to press and hold the reset button, usually a pinhole on the back or side, for 10 to 15 seconds. Plug the box back in and power it on. It will restart and prompt you for setup. Be prepared to repair the box with your Spectrum account via on-screen prompts. Newer boxes may also allow resets through the My Spectrum app under Device Settings. Remember, resetting erases all data, so if possible, enable cloud backups for settings on newer boxes. If the box is leased, contact Spectrum support before resetting to avoid potential fees, especially if you suspect a hardware defect. After resetting, allow 5 to 15 minutes for the box to reinstall the firmware.